Okay, we've arrived back in Watchet. We're about to demolish this garage. We cleared this last week of its contents, and the trail, as usual, is down the end there. So we'll have a look at it when it's down. Okay, we're sort of part way through. We've sort of gutted what we can inside. We've just taken the asbestos off the roof. We've just got to take the timbers out then and start knocking the thing down. So hopefully 2 or 3 hours time this will be flattened. Mike's decided to try the sledgehammer, and the garage is coming down quite easily, so we might not even get the cango out, because the blocks are actually not concrete, they're sand based blocks, quite soft.
Still hard.
Notice he's wearing his eye protection. Not. That'll come down, that corner will come down in one. It's moving at the bottom.
Yeah, it's dead weight in there. It's thick here.
Right, we'll have a look at it in 5 minutes when he's finished knocking it all down. Okay, we're here second day. We've just loaded up the second load of rubble, one last night, and we've knocked down a bit more of the garage, and we've just got one more wheelbarrow to put on the trailer, and I'm going to have a cup of tea and a cigarette and then go off on Tippet. It's going to be a 2-hour turnaround. It'll go all the way into Taunton from Watchet. So by the time I get back, Mike should have levelled this, cleaned up all the pads or where it was the blocks were sitting, and that should be all ready to load on. Okay, we'll have a look at it later. Okay, we're on the last leg. Most of it's been knocked down, so that's the state. We're just loading this up for the third tip of hardcore. So we'll have a look at it later. Okay, we finished today. Last bits and pieces, asbestos roofing's loaded on, bits of wood, etc., bits of scrap, bit of green waste that we dug up from around the garage, and that's it. All gone. Cleaned up, swept up. No more garage. All gone, and that's another job done.